Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share with you what's cooking at the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom. Today I have available for you a gorgeous class that's featuring the Love What You Do photopolymer stamp set. It's from the Stampin' Up 2018-19 annual catalog, brand new. It's an amazing set. The class features 4 projects. We're gonna make an adorable little, what I like to call Chinese takeout tote, because it kind of resembles one in the way that it folds up in the back here. We're going to make 3 beautiful cards in this class. There are 2 ways that you can take this class at the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom. You can take it as a bundle of products class. You can get a physical bundle in the mail, which will include your Love What You Do stamp set, the project kits for each of the 4 projects with everything die cut for you, everything punched for you, all ready to go. The project kits and the stamp sets will either be available for pickup or for mailing in the week of June 9th. This option is $34 for pickup and $34 plus $7 priority shipping if you are not local to Kitchen Table Stamper. The second option for the online classroom is completely online. And the first option with the product and the kits includes the online classroom, so you get both with the $34 option, but for $15 if you already have the Love What You Do stamp set, if you're a demonstrator. If for some reason you want to order your own product, maybe you have a demonstrator that you love, that's fine. You can take the class completely virtually. That option is $15 and it includes the full color printable project sheets. There's a photograph, measurements, step-by-step instructions and supply lists, and a video tutorial for each of the 4 projects. The deadline to order the Love What You Do product class for $34 is June 29th. And you can email me, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com to order this class, or you can visit KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. And the deadline for the online classroom only option without any product, that deadline is July 9th. And you can visit KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom for the PayPal link. If you've got any questions about the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom, email me, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. Thanks for watching.